Hello everyone. Welcome to Codeover Day 7. And today I kind of want to continue doing Anypoint Code Builder stuff. I know I kind of maybe had said before that I was gonna do the rescaffolding of the flows using Anypoint Code Builder just as I did in Studio. Well, turns out that I was wrong. This is not possible with the beta version. It might be possible with the GA version. We'll see after October 16 this year. But until then, I won't do the rescaffolding because it's just not possible. From Exchange, you can actually do it if you have the Anypoint specification right here in our workspace, but let's ignore that for now. In the meantime, I kind of wanted to show you how to create custom snippets. Why would you want snippets? I will tell you why. Here, ignore whatever I have here. This is for the Anypoint Race API thingy. Whatever, ignore that. So I have here a flow. Let's say that I wanted to add a transform message here. But what happens if I do transform? It shows me the components. I put it. And then I see this, right? The problem with that is that let's say that I don't know the syntax for this XML and I don't know how to add more stuff, right? So that's where your snippets come in handy. If there is one thing that you do a lot of times and you can just kind of like save a snippet of it, you can just create that. Before you do those, let's just wait for the GA that comes on October 16. Just to see, because there will very probably will be more snippets. So right now this is just, for example, transform. Yeah. Oh shoot, I'm not showing my stuff. So what I did to show that was, wait. There you can see my thing. Basically, control space, even though I'm on a Mac. And then just search for transform and you will see the EE transform. Then like, that's just not helpful, is it? Because I don't know what else to put here. And even though I can do this, like maybe I can go ahead here and search for more stuff to do. What? No. Like for example, the EE message. But what if I wanted to add some variables? It's not showing me how to add variables, right? So anyway, like you get my point. It's just easier if you had something already there. So what you can do here is click here and then go here where it says snippets. And you can get some built-in snippets like these ones, or you can set user snippets. And actually, what is this? Is this the... Oh, it's a set variable thingy. No, that's not useful. Yeah, so just go here, then check out the user snippets. You will probably have this empty. I already have two, but maybe you have this empty. So click on this plus sign right here, which says create user snippet. This will open the mule xml.json file. So ignore this thing because I already have two snippets here, but ignore that. This will be helpful for you. Maybe you cannot see it with this theme, but here's an example. Copy this and put it there and you can see how this is created. So I created two snippets. One is a basic transform message. So pretty much just put the prefix, which is transform. Where did I get that from? I think it's from here. Transform. Oh, I think it's just the name of the thing. I don't know. So I have two external. Yeah, I think that's just the name that I put. Anyway, here in the body, you can paste here like in this format. So you see this string, every string is a line. So if you want to have several lines, just do that. You can also do spaces or tabs or whatnot, so whatever you need. And this is how it will be pasted, in your snippet. So here, for example, I have one basic transform message, which is basically setting up the transformation message right there, and another one with an external DW file for the transform message. In this case, for example, I have DW file DW. So once you save this, click here on the refresh button to see the list of updated snippets. If for whatever reason it doesn't work, you can just quit Visual Studio Code, come back to it, and that would be good enough. So for example, if I came here and I wanted to try one of my user snippets, I can search for basic transform message. Oh, wait, transform. Okay, here. And you can kind of see here that it says basic transform message, and here it says external DWL file in transform message. So there are two things. If I create this, see, like it outputs exactly what I had in my snippet, even the ugly spaces. And I can also do the other one, transform external DWL file, and here it is. But there is a quick fix to that. If you select Shift Command B or open the command palette, you can just click on Format Document or search for Format Document, and this will automatically set this up straight for you. And look at that, we have our new transform message, one that is using the DWL file right here, or like creating the DataWave code directly, and the other one that is getting the resource from the DW file, for example. So in source main resources, I created a folder called DW, and then inside I create a file.dwl, and it's referencing to this. Pretty easy, right? So you can now create your own user snippets to have all of this information ready to go. But again, just wait a little bit until the GA is announced and ready, which is October 16, 2023. And after that, you might be able to see more snippets right here. If it's not the case and you're still missing some snippets, then go ahead and create your own user snippets. All right, that's all for this video, and I will see you tomorrow with Mode Code Builder. Bye!